Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yeah, let's just dive right into the TA. So just by looking at it right here, we had a nice run up and we bounced off this beautiful level right here, and then we took our profits at 33. So we took some profits at 33,000, and then we took some more again at the $34,500 level, I believe, and then we ended up chopping around right here. And right now we're just fighting this resistance right here. It's pretty undecided where it's gonna go, but just by looking at it, we could go like on the 1 hour time frame to get a better picture. And let me just draw this out for you guys right here. We could see that we are somewhat forming a little bull flag right here, potentially. You know, obviously on the larger time frames it doesn't look as good. We could go look at the smaller time frames. It would look definitely better. We could see that we're making lower lows right there. It could also be a symmetrical triangle, possibly, but definitely if it's like a nice little bull flag, then that would be very good for like a continuation pattern. But we'll just keep it like potentially we'll just draw this one right now, because it does look a little bit like a little triangle right here forming, and the breakout should be happening quite soon. Some people are calling for a very big move very soon, but I'm not too sure about why they're calling for a massive move within 12 hours. We are at a resistance area, which could be why we people are saying that we're gonna break out now. And yeah, obviously this is a massive pattern that we are in right now. So if this were to break out, the target for this one would be at, so we could just measure it from here. We'll just measure it from the bottom of the green support box right there. Yeah, so if we do break out from there, we could be heading up to $46,000 to $45,000, and a breakdown from this area could bring us all the way down. If we break down from this green box, or obviously the top of right here, we could go from 21,000 to 18,000. Obviously, with so much, if there's a lot of volatility, then we are going to go down very quickly and probably like hit all these stop losses. Sorry, not these stop losses. We're going to hit a lot of liquidations, right? And yeah, so we can see that the RSI is like bottoming out right now, and we are fighting like a little resistance area on the RSI. And if we do break out, I could definitely see an explosive move to the upside, which would be very good for Bitcoin. We could take a look at the hash ribbons right now. Nothing much has changed since yesterday, so I'll just keep you guys up to date on that always. But it's a very slow moving indicator. It's only updated daily, so it could take weeks before something could happen. And yes, I also wanted to talk about Ethereum right here. We could just open up this right there, go down Ethereum. And yeah, Ethereum had a massive move today. Very explosive. A nice 5% gain. So people say 5% is not massive, but with on leverage, that could be very good. As we see today, a lot of people have been posting in the share gains chat in the Discord. And yep, people have been making amazing gains. 200%, 300% gains. Congratulations to everyone that in the chat that's making really good gains while using Market Cipher. You guys deserve all of those. Obviously, some of them have utilized a lot of leverage, and obviously the more leverage you use, the more risk you take, but the higher the reward is. So obviously my risk reward ratio is like I like to use 5 to 15 leverage, but some people, their risk tolerance is through the roof, so they're able to use 100 leverage, 50 leverage. That's on them, but sometimes it really works out for them, and they make amazing gains. So yeah, good job, guys. Yeah, but really right now we're just really focused on this Bitcoin pattern, not really trading Ethereum lately. We had a nice move yesterday, but yeah, my focus right now is more on this on these daily candles right now. A close above would be very good, and then if we went to retest it and then go up, then that would be an amazing move to the upside. But obviously we got to be careful for fake outs like this. As we can see, it went up, and then we got hit that resistance box at 40,000. It got rejected all the way down to 28,600. So definitely keep that in mind, guys. I know that some people are saying that we're gonna go down to 15k. Obviously, you got to look at all the data and be realistic. Yes, it's possible, but what is the likelihood of us doing that? Right? So right now, I'm still in my trade. I still have my trade open from 31,500. My stop loss is set around 32,000, so it's technically impossible for me to lose out on this trade. We could definitely get stopped out, but I am banking on a nice. I'm just gonna ride the wave up on this trade right now. We already made some really good gains. I'm gonna post in the Discord what our challenge account is at. I believe it's in the $800 area. So, you know, we started with $100 and now we're at I think almost 800. So, you know, that's an 800% gain in only like a couple months. Obviously, we took some breaks between then, and I have a full-time job, so I can't trade every single day, and I can't get into every single trade that I want to get into. But yeah. Anyways, guys, if you like the content, leave a like and subscribe. I really appreciate the support. We're at 542 subscribers, which is awesome. Let's see if we can get to 600 before the Bitcoin price goes to 60,000. That should be pretty easy. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day, and leave a like and subscribe. Peace. Oh yes, and the Bybit link is in the description. Don't forget to sign up. Love you guys. Peace.